when you have fear, like you're scared of losing your money. Just it. Like, you're scared.
Okay, very good. So what we want to say now, what we want to learn is what's the fear? Okay, you just mentioned fear of losing your money.
Yeah.
So what's the cause of that fear of losing money?
I think it's fear of being wrong. You're not sure if this is right or if it's wrong. So you're scared of losing it.
Okay, so you just mentioned another fear now. You said fear of being wrong. Okay, so we are still using the same word, fear. This is what I'm seeing here is fear. So, but my question is, what's the cause of the fear?
Lack of
I think it's
knowledge.
fear of missing out.
Good, that's still another fear. That's another form of fear. So, we want to get to the root cause of this fear. And by the way, we still have one more fear. There are actually four. We have fear of leaving money on the table.